The problem we have is my wife has been working alone, and every time if we pay everyone who works on this garden, it ends up being so costly. Now we've received these holiday makers, so they are helping us. My children are helping us. They are going to take care of everything. So Mr. Dale was advising him to clean the banana plantations. You know, the dry leaves of the banana plantations that we are seeing right now is going to be harmful to the pepper, according to what Mr. Dale is saying. So he's advising him to make sure all these dry leaves on the banana plantations are cleaned and cleared and removed from the banana plantation. You have to remove all these shadows so that you get the light, or else your pepper will start growing so tall without producing fruit, because it will be chasing the sunlight. So clean all these plantations and remove the dried banana leaves to enable your plants to grow well. Now there is also